146 Cheesy Chaz. Gonna try one of these Contenders. Box number 3. Box number 5. Can we roll a 2? Yes, we can. We rolled 2, 3, and 5. And now 4. We got all the numbers that were missing out of the way. (2014) Contenders. Cisco, have you seen the new Star Wars that's coming out? The sketches? Did you draw any of those? Tom Brady, Danny Amendola. How much of what, Ramble? D'Anthony Thomas, Kadeem Carey. Your first hit is Walt Aikens. Rookie ticket, Walt Aikens. Just base. Steve Young. Oh, that is something. 199 Chad Henne. Playoff ticket. Oh, I got to go through my pre-sales, Rambo. I might be sold out. I got a bunch of orders the other day of that stuff, so I had to remove it. I got to go through and check them all. I'm not sure how much I'll have left, if any. Try to get some more. Mike Evans. Let's see. Why does that look different? I don't know. Jordan Matthews, but it wasn't numbered. Jordan Matthews. Hit number 2. We have Walt Aikens, and we have Antonio Andrews. Yeah, that might have been it. The wood cards look awesome, too. I don't know if you guys have seen the images of the wood cards. They're all one-of-ones. Number 3 is David Fales. Rookie ticket. There we go. Hit number 3, Chaz. Kelvin Benjamin insert. Calvin Johnson. Eric Ebron. Oh, Sharks. I think Trilogy got pushed back. Did I not change the date? I'll have to check on that. If it does come out tomorrow, I'm sorry, Cyrus Kwanjo. Cyrus Kwanjo Chaz is hit number 4. If it does come out tomorrow, I will do it. I have to check the date on that. Sometimes they push those back. Des Bryant, Tony Romo. Just base. Aaron Murray, A.J. McCarron. Dual insert. Just base. Marquise Lee. Rookie ticket on card. Is that your first on card? Yep. Marquise Lee. Rookie ticket. And your last pack. This should have an autograph, I think. You have 5, but usually you get 6. Yep. D'Anthony Thomas. The playoff ticket. 77 of 99. D'Anthony playoff on-card version. That's usually you get 2 on cards as well. Alright, Cheesy Chaz, we'll recap it. We have D'Anthony, numbered to 99. Marquise Lee, Cyrus Quanjo, David Fales, Antonio Andrews, and Walt Aikens. Alright. Thanks a lot, Cheesy. I'll get it on the way.